Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to make money using AI video, so this video for you. In this video, I am going to show you each and every step that can help you to create AI videos and then you can upload into your YouTube channel, your TikTok account, Facebook page and all over social media. This channel already made last 28 days. That's a huge number of money. So maybe you will be surprised. Is it really true they are making money? Yes, this channel has made 1,63k between 4,51k revenue and subs 900k. That's amazing. And the viewers and the last 28 days they got 484 million views. The first hour they just uploaded a YouTube video. It's a animation cartoon video like Chanda Manda competition, and maybe you noticed the title. It's from India. Absolutely right. So if you are watching from India, that's great. And big good news for you. Yes, this channel Geo Cinema Kids. So I think you have seen this YouTube channel and also the videos, but maybe you don't know, is this really channel making money? So that's the result. So also you can check out, it's a views stats, it's a global website. So you can just input this YouTube channel name, because the views and the subscribers you will see, and you will notice that because you see the analytics each and every single day their number of views and the subscribers. Okay, they just uploaded long format videos, and also you can check their daily analytics like Friday, January 10 revenue. You can see the revenue, also the view changes, total subs each and every single day. That's a huge number of money. Okay, so the big question is how they are making money and how they create the video. Is there any rocket science, or is there any high skills that we need to grow this kind of YouTube channel, or need to earn money, okay, from anywhere? They don't have any rocket science skills, just few skills. Okay, so I will show you step by step. Number one is you have to find the video idea and the video script. Then you have to find the best tools that can produce this kind of video, and the voiceover. Also you can do your own voiceover. Also you can hire someone. Also you can produce AI voiceover. Okay, and slowly and surely, just when you practice, when you enter this kind of industry like producing this kind of videos, you will be knowing that all the resources that you have and that you need. The first of all, just need to your motivation. That's mean your dedication that you want to make money from YouTube in 2025 using AI tools. That's the first thing. You have to understand, you have to believe in this, and you have to go for it. And not only for my YouTube videos, you can access all others YouTube channel and just getting some knowledge and set a schedule and just making videos and upload. That's it. That's another YouTube channel, Ellie Kids Cartoon Songs. Okay, so I'm showing you all the cartoons and animations, and this channel has made last 28 days estimate revenue. By the way, it's a YouTube revenue. Okay, so they are making money another way, like sponsorship or other promoting this kind of stuff. Okay, 161 million. Okay, that's amazing. And the subscriber and total views, you can see the all the analytics. They are also producing long format video and short format video. What's the importance, like views, long format or short format? So maybe you will be surprised, because this channel parallelly they are producing and getting a long format or short format video. Also the Geo Cinema Kids from India, this channel are getting the highest number of views from long format video. First of all, the initially question is that what kind of videos you want to produce and you should produce. So I will highly suggest you to create first of all short formats video, because you can grab attention very easily and very fastly using short format video. And when you are getting some views and subscribers, you can produce long format video. So first of all, short format video is very easy to create. Okay, so you can see that this channel already generating the AD Kids. It's all about the kids channel. Okay, also they are producing. All right, so I'm going to show you another YouTube channel. It's from India also, Little Tree House India, Hindi Kids Nursery Rhymes. Okay, so that's a huge number of subscribers, and the number ranking is 194 from India. Okay, so many of you and maybe your kids also watching this kind of videos. So why not you are creating for your future money machine? So it's really a money machine. Just you put a videos and YouTube give you money. That's it. Alright guys, so many of you just afraid to seeing this kind of subscribers and you are just growing your excuses, you are not growing YouTube channel. That's mean when I will have this number of subscribers, when I will have this number of revenue, why not I'm growing, why not people are subscribing, why are my YouTube views are really down. So when you upload 1070 videos, maybe you will get this kind of subscribers and views and also the revenue. So you are just zero right now, you are just zero. You are watching this video and maybe you don't have any YouTube channel, you don't have any idea to create videos, how to create, how to post, how to do YouTube SEO. You don't know YouTube channel. It's a well-brained kids from UK. They're producing huge number of videos, 5k plus, okay, 5.5k plus videos, and the subscribers, okay, and the estimate revenue 84k revenue. That's the minimum, and the highest is, so revenue should be between this number of amount, okay, and the views is 31.82 million views, and you will see they are getting views from shorts and long format views, and you will see that each and every single day they are just making money. This kind of story on help you because you will get lots of tutorials and you will get lots of things how the people are really making money. But in 2025, the easiest way you can make money using AI videos, okay guys. But guys, so this is the first step we have done, and the second step is, okay, so how to create a script, how to generate the video idea. That's very important. Okay, so maybe you heard about ChatGPT, definitely, and I'm sure 100% sure you are using ChatGPT or you will be. So ChatGPT will help you to create the script. First of all, you know that I've already showed you that you want to produce, or if you are interested in this niche, so the idea is very clear and the concept is very easy, that you want to create animation or cartoon video for kids. That's it. Okay, so just go to ChatGPT and write your concept. So I just wrote it here: write inspiring, lovely, motivational kids story in a single paragraph. That's the story, guys, and make it 120 seconds video script, and they just write a script over here. You can see the voiceover, also the character. Okay, so when they wrote it, I just give another command, make it now in a single para. They're just giving a single paragraph. That's our final paragraph. Okay, so also you can write in a single line, and you can also give a prompts and it will give you prompts. So this is my thoughts, this is my idea. Okay, so you can use your own way and maybe the story will be different. So this is the story on a script that we wanted to generate from ChatGPT. So this is our second step. And by the way guys, if you don't have any YouTube channel, just create your YouTube channel. It's very simple, you can watch other tutorials. Okay, so suppose you have a YouTube channel and you just need a video. So first step is just create your YouTube channel, and it's time to generate the final video. So that's mean how we can create this kind of videos, cartoon videos. So it's especially for kids. You can create animation, also you can generate different kind of characters. Okay guys, so let's see. So our script is ready, it's time to generate the video. So for this video I'm going to use a tool, it's called Short AI. Okay, so it's a amazing tool you can use, you can try. Okay, so here you can see the example or sample, different kind of animation or different kind of story. It's a cat story, it's a different kind of fake text to video. Also you can select AI story to video. All right guys, so also you can do a scheduling, and also you can have a subtitle. That's mean you can do a subtitle for your video. So Mr. Beast, and these are the style. Okay, so make your subtitle pop 14 plus dynamic captions, emojis, gifs, and etc. And the supported language is 32 languages. So I think English, Spanish, Japanese, Chinese, also the Hindi, Tamil, you will get all of the languages over here. Also you can do the scheduling post. Okay guys, so first of all you have to sign up with your Gmail account. It's completely free. Okay, so let's go to the dashboard because I've already signed in over here. Perfect, this is the dashboard, and you will find the AI tools and the most popular AI tools. As we want to create a AI story video, so click on AI story video. You will find the different kind of templates over there. So if you choose, you can try, just click on create new. Okay guys, I'm going to select AI story video, left hand sidebar, and you will see the different background style. It's a animation or cartoon style. So I'm going to use the watercolor style, Lego dark style, AI painted style. So I'm going to use a Disney style. And in this section you have to select the template, that's mean the script that you already generated from ChatGPT. We don't need to use this kind of templates. Just click on custom prompt section and describe your video concept to AI. That's mean we have to paste the video script that I've already copied from ChatGPT. I've already pasted here, and make sure your languages. So click on the language section. You will see the lots of languages over here, 32 plus. Also you can get a Hindi, French, Portuguese, Vietnamese, Chinese. Okay, you can write a hook. Also you can add some CTA call to action, like the ending part, like subscribe and more, something like this. Alright guys, and also script length. So script length should be 90 to 120 seconds that I've already generated from ChatGPT, 120 seconds. Alright guys, so it's time to generate the script. So click on generate script. Alright guys, so custom script has been generated. So then click on next, and it's time to select the subtitle style. So I'm going to select the first one as it is. Okay, on next, and it's time to select the audio. That's mean the voiceover tone. Okay, so you can select male, female. Alright guys, so I'm going to select this Helio McClure, young American female voice, clean and easy to listen, perfect for YouTube video, social media content, explainer video, etc. Okay, so if you want to listen, just
if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Perfect, I think you would love it. Okay, so select this tone and then finally just generate the video. Alright guys, so our video is generating, 50% done. So let's click on my project, and this is the video that's creating. Okay, so I already generated some videos over here. If you are really interested to create this kind of videos and making money, so you have to use this kind of tools definitely. So as a beginner you can try with their basic package, and if you see your channel is growing, and then you can upgrade your plan. Alright guys, so maybe our video is ready, so let's play the video.
Sunny the snail lived in a peaceful meadow. She dreamed of reaching the top of the tallest mountain. Others laughed at her dream. They said, "A snail climbing so high, that's impossible." But Sunny was determined. She packed a tiny leaf as her backpack. Then she began her journey, inching forward step by step. On her way, she faced many challenges. Storms swept through the meadow, making the path slippery. Rocky trails tested her strength. Some faster animals, like the rabbit, teased her. "You'll never make it, little snail," they said. But Sunny kept going, heart full of hope. In moments of doubt, a friendly bird flew by. It sang kind words, inspiring her to continue. The bird's encouragement gave Sunny strength. She discovered the beauty of the world around her. Colorful flowers bloomed, and the sun lit her path. For many days and nights, Sunny pressed on. Finally, after tireless effort, she reached the summit. The sun was setting, painting the sky in dazzling hues. From the peak, Sunny admired the breathtaking view. Sunny smiled and whispered, "Slow and steady really can take you anywhere." Back in the meadow, the animals who once doubted her now admired her courage. They gathered to hear her story. Sunny became an inspiration to all. She proved that even the smallest steps can lead to the biggest dreams. The meadow celebrated their brave little snail who dared to dream big.
Alright guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. And if you find this video is really helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification to get this kind of videos, and comment below if you have any queries. So I will come back with another new tutorials. So stay tuned, see you in the next video.